Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing it's no longer a review at this point, right? We're just going to be trying on both of Danessa Myricks foundation plus her balm. We're going to be trying those on today and actually putting them together and putting them on my face. I already have individual reviews of both of them. I've already compared both of them as well. I've compared them both separately and I've also compared them together. And so we're gonna go ahead and just, you know what I'm saying, do this situation on my face. Today we have the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blur Balm Powder, and we also have the Serum Foundation by Danessa Myricks as well. So today is going to be both of their days, okay? I would say don't mind my hair, but I don't care. It's my hair. Okay, and I just didn't want to put it up. The tension is becoming a lot, so I decided to just let it loose. Okay, so today we're gonna try it on. Today I have the Milk Makeup Primer on, or not try this on. We're gonna put this on our face. So this is the Milk Makeup Primer. What it actually looks like on here versus what it applies on my face are not the same, okay? So keep that in mind. I've done so many videos about this now. I feel like I'm just like, the more I put it on my face, the more I'm just like in awe. Okay, so I think the first thing is to put this first, and then we would layer it with the Serum Foundation. Yes, it is. Ridiculous. It's light coverage. It is of a light coverage, but it's also not. I feel like this is more of a medium coverage to me anyway than a light coverage. And then we're gonna lay it up with the Serum Foundation, which if you do that, then you only need a little bit. This Serum Foundation is a bit dark for my skin, but I believe it's probably the closest that I have to the shade, so that's why I just stuck with this one. And again, with the smell, I do think this one does have a scent. It's more to me like an oily scent than it is like perfumey scent. Is more oily to me. It doesn't, I feel like the radiance starts to flow, like you start to see the radiance once I put this one on my face compared to the balm powder. And if you want to see how I apply the balm powder, how I've applied this one individually, please go ahead and watch those videos. It'll greatly, it'll most likely help you. This one is just, you know, to see if I can achieve a full coverage with both of them on. And honestly, I think I can. I think if you want coverage, but then you also want like the radiance with it, I do think this would probably be a nice combo for you. All right, I think that's it. I think I am done with both of them. How do I look? I kind of like it. I feel like it's giving me, you know, it's giving me medium to full, or maybe full. Can I say it's giving me full coverage? Like, I don't, how else more full do I want this to look? I kind of don't even want to finish off my face, but I would. I'm gonna go ahead and work the magic, okay? Okay, anyways, I think this is it. This is what my face is looking like. Okay, I'm gonna do a wear test. So I will, this is, yeah, it's 1:43. I don't really know how much wear test I'm gonna do, but I would love to do a wear test on both of this just to see what my skin is looking like, especially because I added both of them. But I will be back to show you guys the final results. Yeah, so stay tuned. Oh, now my skin looking skinny. Okay, what happened? Hello. Hi you guys, what else? I'm so tired. It's been a long day, but hi you guys. Okay, so we are back. It's almost 6 hours, I should say, and so far so good. All right guys, we are back. It is approximately almost 6 hours. It's approximately 5.5 hours that I've been rocking this foundation or this combo, okay, on my face. And we're gonna go ahead and see what that looks like. Again, I've not blotted, I did not touch it. I mean, I've been touching my face a lot, so I don't know what this is about to look like, to be honest. I also just tried as much as possible. I did not blot it. I also did not add any powder or anything in this few hours. I just been working, getting stuff done, okay? So here is what my face looks like. I mean, I really feel like this situation right here, I just think this is about to be my summer. Like, this is my summer. In my opinion, I feel like this consists of my summer. Like, I feel like most days I'm just gonna be wearing this by itself, and I feel like sometimes I'm just gonna be wearing this by itself because I am in Houston, and so I feel like I can't really be playing around the whole radiant situation with my oily skin. But hey, I look forward to like putting this together, going out and, you know, doing what I want to do, doing what we're doing this summer. It's almost like I found what I've been looking for. I feel like this is what I've been looking for, like something that's gonna be on my skin that's able to have blurring properties, but also not feel, you know, not look cakey, not feel cakey on my skin. Just looks like my skin, looks like natural skin. And I feel like I've been able to achieve that with this situation that I got going on my face. Yes, I am a bit oily, or at least it's starting, okay? At 5 hour mark, the oiliness is just starting, and it's right here on my nose, which if you've been watching me, or even if you haven't and you want to go back and watch my videos, you would see what I look like. What I look like after a few hours of wearing certain foundations on my face. And so the fact that I'm able to do that, and of course, like something that's light coverage, I do have like texture, and I have acne scarring that I need to be covered. Like, I need those things to be covered. I have pores that are just like, where am I going, you know? And so it's just, I feel like I found a formula that works, that's not drying, that's not dewy, it doesn't give my face, it doesn't produce, or at least it helps, okay? Because there are like properties in here that's meant to help my sebum production reduce. So I think Danessa Myricks did a great job, if I do say so myself, because it works for people like me who have oily skin, who have textured skin, who are acne prone. I mean, those people are, to me, the audience that I typically am doing these videos for, because I know how hard it can be to find something that works, right? So please let me know down below what thoughts you have for this. Do you guys think this worked for me? And would it work for you? You let me know down below. If this is probably like something you're like, nah, I gotta go get this, let me know down below. And I really hope it works for you. I do want to know your thoughts down below. I do want to know if you have any questions. Please leave them down below for me, and I will be sure to answer them. And I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, is there anything else you want me to try though? Let me know as well, okay? But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know down below what your thoughts are concerning this situation I got going on my face. And I'll try to talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you. All right, bye.